Can't find a place to install the clothesline in your house? I'm going to show you a really good and practical solution right now. Hang on. Good, affordable, practical tips are what you always find here on the Arc Select channel, and that's what I'm going to show you now. Hey guys, how are you doing? All good? I'm Ed, an architect, and right at the start of this video, I want to tell you something. The link where you can buy this type of clothesline that I'm showing you right now is down below in the description of this video, okay? I recommend buying a clothesline using this link. When you're not using it, everything is fine. The clothes are clean, whether we're traveling or just in our routine, and the clothesline stays open. You know those ceiling clotheslines? They're mounted up high. There's also the floor clothesline. It's true that you can fold up the floor clothesline and put it away, but even so, it still takes up a little space. This type of clothesline, when you're not using it, it's open here and the rods are there. When you're not using it, you just close it. It just looks like a frame placed on the wall. It looks like, I don't know, some woodwork or something, just a detail on your wall, okay? So when you're not using it, just close it, that's it. It doesn't seem like there's a clothesline. Want to use it? Just open it, hang your clothes on the 5 or 6 rods. It works perfectly. There are several sizes you can choose from to suit your home. If you have a space that's 60 centimeters, on the wall in a corner, and you don't want to put up a ceiling clothesline, use the 60 cm one. Oh, I have a wall here in a small room where I can fit up to 1.20 meters, get the 1.2 meter one. Oh, but everything here is black. There's a black one too, all right? But the idea I want to bring to you is, instead of putting up that ceiling clothesline, instead of using that floor clothesline that takes up a lot of space, use this type of clothesline, the wall-mounted clothesline, which is really good and functional. Let me tell you this. If you compare them, you'll see. The link is in the description. If you compare a floor clothesline or that ceiling clothesline that you pull with a cord, this wall-mounted one, depending on the size you choose, is much cheaper. It's much cheaper to install it yourself, okay? Just grab the screw anchors from the kit you buy, fix it there, right? Drill the wall. Be careful not to drill into a conduit, right? Pay attention first, do your research on where you're going to drill. Once you've drilled, installed, and fixed it there, that's it, your wall-mounted clothesline is ready. It's a really good and functional idea that people liked a lot when I posted it on our Instagram, and that's why I'm bringing this tip here on YouTube for you now, okay? I hope you enjoy and like this tip because it's a really good and functional one. The purchase link for this product in several sizes is down below in the description for you. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this tip, give it a like. Okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and don't forget that I'll be waiting for you in our next video. Take care.